I just discovered a brand new niche that's taking over the internet right now. Imagine being able to create videos like Duck Quest, amassing 1 million plus subscribers with just 24 uploads, and earning anywhere between $42,000 to $682,000 per month, all without needing prior experience or any special skills. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's 100% possible with just free AI tools. This niche is fresh, low competition, and packed with massive growth potential. And the best part? You can skyrocket your reach by posting these videos across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Stay with me, because in this video, I'm breaking it all down step by step so you can start today. These creators are pulling in millions of views and massive earnings by doing this. Just look at this video. It has skyrocketed to 164 million views. I dug a little deeper, and let me tell you, they're fully monetized and cashing in big time. But it doesn't stop there. Another creator producing Duck Quest videos has amassed over 200 million views with only 18 uploads, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Here's the problem. Everyone is now creating Duck Quest and Rabbit Quest videos, but here's the catch. YouTube doesn't favor copycats. It prioritizes originality, rewarding creators who introduce fresh and unique content. So rather than adding to the flood of Duck Quest and Rabbit Quest clones, why not develop your own unique animal quest and take over an untapped niche? In this video, I'll guide you through choosing the perfect animal, crafting a story that hooks viewers emotionally, and leveraging free AI tools to create stunning visuals and animations, all while optimizing for YouTube's algorithm. But here's a fair warning, skip any of these 6 crucial steps, and your videos might not get the views or earnings you're aiming for. Every detail matters. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal a game-changing tip that can skyrocket your videos to millions of viewers and help you start earning too. If you're ready to turn this into a money-making YouTube automation channel, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Step 1. Choose a unique animal. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is recycling overused animals like ducks or rabbits. The problem? YouTube is already flooded with massive channels dominating those niches. If you launch a similar channel, YouTube's algorithm will likely think, "We've seen this before," making it much harder for your content to stand out. Instead, focus on fresh, underrated animals that are just as adorable but haven't gone viral yet. Ones with huge potential. Animals with high emotional appeal. Perform best because they naturally evoke strong reactions from viewers. After all, who wouldn't be captivated by a brave little penguin setting off on an epic adventure to save the day? Before proceeding to the tutorial, many people have already purchased my tutorial blueprint. For the niches I've created a guide before. I have also created a full tutorial blueprint specifically for the Duck Quest niche. For those who want to start in this niche and are serious about YouTube automation, you will have a huge advantage if you purchase my blueprint, because you will learn a lot from it. With the power of AI and a secret strategy used by top creators, it's now easier than ever to succeed. This blueprint provides a major advantage by guiding you through the exact steps to execute it properly. It includes materials to help your videos go viral, a secret strategy for success, the best prompts to use, guidance on sound effects, and tips on setting up your account with effective branding. The full blueprint guide costs around $12. If you want to get access, check the description or pinned comment below. If you're unsure which animal to choose, let ChatGPT help. Use this prompt. Give me 10 of the most adorable baby animals with high emotional appeal for a viral Animal Quest video series like Rabbit Quest and Duck Quest. In just seconds, you'll have 10 unique animal options to spark your creativity. For this video, we're going with Baby Penguin Quest, and here's why. Baby penguins are resilient, charming, and thrive in extreme environments, making them perfect for engaging storytelling. Plus, their adorable appearance translates beautifully into stunning animations and eye-catching thumbnails, giving your video a higher chance of success. Now, here's a question for you. Which animal quest do you think has the potential to go viral next? Drop a comment below. Step 2. Craft a viral-worthy script using AI. Now that we have our main character, it's time to create a compelling, emotionally charged story that captivates viewers from the very first second. Viral content thrives on universal emotions, such as joy, fear, surprise, and compassion. By blending these elements seamlessly, you can craft a narrative that deeply resonates with your audience. Fortunately, we don't have to start from scratch. We can leverage the same proven formula that made Duck Quest and Rabbit Quest videos wildly successful. The viral story formula. Begin with a strong emotional hook, Introduce a moment of compassion, add an unexpected, dangerous twist, showcase a heroic act, end with a satisfying, uplifting resolution. Even if storytelling isn't your strong suit, ChatGPT can simplify the process. If you ever struggle with new ideas, I've prepared a document, linked in the video description, to make scripting effortless. Here's how to generate engaging stories. 1. Open ChatGPT and paste the sample story. Type. Create a new adventure scenario for the penguin, where it rescues another animal, faces a predator, and continues its journey. Begin with the intense moment when the animal is in danger, then introduce an unexpected twist. You can refine the prompts further to include specific scenes or details, ensuring you always have fresh, captivating ideas ready to go. Step 3. Generate stunning visuals. With our image prompts ready, it's time to bring them to life using free AI-powered tools. Start with Leonardo AI. Log in using Google or email. You'll receive 150 free tokens daily. Click Image Creation and select Phoenix 1.0 for rich, vibrant visuals. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, the perfect format for shorts. Paste your image prompt and generate the image. Repeat the process for each image prompt. If you run out of tokens, simply create another account or explore alternative tools like PixVerse or Puman to keep producing high-quality visuals without interruptions. Step 4. Bring your images to life with animation. Now, it's time to turn those static images into a fully animated video that captivates your audience. Here's how to do it effortlessly. Use PixVerse AI or Halo AI. Both tools make animation seamless. Head to the Halo AI website, link in the description. Click Create and upload your images. Add scene descriptions to enhance storytelling. Hit Generate, and just like that, your animation is ready. If you run out of credits, don't worry. You can switch to PixVerse or upgrade your Halo AI account. Once you're monetized, the investment will be well worth it. Step 5. Upscale your video for maximum quality. High-quality visuals keep viewers hooked longer, signaling to YouTube that your content is valuable. Go to CapCut's Upscaler and click Magic Tools. Select the Video Upscaler feature. Upload your video and let the tool boost the resolution and sharpness. If you generated your video in PixVerse at high quality, you can skip this step. Quality matters. YouTube prioritizes high-quality videos in recommendations. Step 6. Edit for maximum retention. Import your clips by dragging and dropping all your animated scenes into CapCut and arranging them in order. Remove watermarks. Ensure none of your clips have watermarks, as they can distract viewers and reduce professionalism. Trim for optimal format. Adjust your video to fit popular formats for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Aim for a 1-minute runtime with a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Use seamless transitions. Maintain a polished look by avoiding flashy effects. Subtle fades or slides work best. Enhance visual appeal. Apply filters that match the mood of your story. For example, use a cool blue filter for Arctic adventures or warm golden tones for jungle settings. Layer sound effects. Add immersive audio elements like storms, water splashes, wind, and animal sounds. Select royalty-free tracks from YouTube's audio library to elevate the emotional tone of your video. Final tip. To make your content stand out, tell a story that feels personal, relatable, and emotionally impactful. Viewers are more likely to engage, share, and return for more. Think outside the box. Now tell me, which animal quest would you choose? Drop a comment below, and I'll personally send you a free AI-generated script for your choice. Also, you can buy my blueprint for this duck quest niche. Link in the description only for $12. Buy now because this is limited time offer. Need my full blueprint for this duck quest niche? Check the link in the description.